In this video, you will know how to make a talking AI agent, a voice agent of your own. Whichever work you give it, it will just do it for you. It's like you're connecting AI agent with a voice, and it's completely free. You're getting $200 of credit with DeepGram and 14 days of free trial with Zapier. So it's completely free for 14 days complete. And $200 is too much for this voice system. It's like so much you cannot believe. You will be finished with talking so much of stuff and doing all of this automation, and then also $200 will be registered in your account, ready to be used by some another automation. Okay, so first of all, this is my screen. We will start. So first we have to go to our any browser, open any browser and go to DeepGram. Whenever you log in, you will get $200 of free credit. You can use it for voice agents and all of that stuff. You will just log in. You can just sign up for free. I have made my account. I will just log in. Okay, so here you can see the credit. This is like $199.98 are remaining. I had like $200. I was just testing some things out before this video, and yeah, you don't need any credit card to set up all of this stuff. Yes, so whenever you log in the first page, you will go to console and all of this stuff. So I think here we cannot see the product which we are going to use. We are going to go to deepgram.com. deepgram.com. Yeah, here when we go to products, we are going to use this DeepGram Saga, the voice OS for developers. Yeah, it's loading. Okay, so here you have two options. First is you can try it on web and you can download the app for free. Both ways it works. I did not download the app. I will just try it on web. It's pretty fast on the web only. Yeah. Just close it. This is our dashboard and this is our web application. Here we have to log in. I'm logged in already. Nice. Okay, so now we are done with our voice agent and all of that stuff. We'll just test it out if it's working. You can ask it like a normal voice agent like we have with ChatGPT or any other stuff. It's like hello. Yeah, it took something. We'll go to speak mode and then hello. Hello.
Hi there. How can I help you today? Would you like to start a workflow or need information?
What are semiconductors?
Could you clarify what specific information or action you need related to semiconductors? Are you looking for
I need to know what are semiconductors.
Semiconductors are materials that have electrical conductivity
Okay.
that.
Yeah, something like that. It's working. So now we'll go to Zapier. Zapier is also completely free. We'll just go to zapier.com and we'll just log in. After login, this is the page you will get. What we'll do is we'll go to one second. Where are apps, agents, Zap history, discover. We'll go to products area where we can see the Zapier MCP, which is actually useful. Here you can see my plant has 1000 operations. We get this is like 4 times I run. I think yeah. My Zapier Pro trial ends on December 16 because I started today. I have 14 days of trial. Everyone will have whenever they are trying the free version. Okay, what we'll just search is we will just try to search Zapier MCP and then the first app over here. Yeah, so this is the Zapier MCP. We'll just log in, start building. Here you have to just log in with your account which you made with the Zapier, and then here is the perfect interface which we are having. I will just delete this MCP over here. I was trying something new. Okay, so this is the page which you will be seeing when you are starting out with Zapier MCP. So what is MCP? Just about the basics, MCP is like a connector which is used to connect various types of apps or tools to a service. So imagine it like a C-type port, or imagine it like a connector, a Lego brick, a master brick, where we are connecting small Lego bricks on it to make a structure, and the structure we are using to automate our stuff. It's like connecting different types of tools together or bringing all of the tools in one place. Okay, so we will just create an MCP client. We'll select other, and then this will be our MCP server voice agent. Okay, so this is our MCP server. Whatever we are going to add all the tools are going to go in this server, and then we are going to connect it with URL. As simple as that. No code needed, no expensive API calls you need, or no webhooks thing we have. You just have to upload the URL over there. Okay, so these are the tools. We'll connect a tool, for example Gmail. We'll get find email, and then we'll just find an email, delete email, create a draft, and then send email. No, we will just, yeah, this is enough for just testing things out. We'll connect Gmail. We can connect any other tools like this, like Notion, Gmail, Google Sheets, Google Docs, Microsoft Outlook, Slack, Zoom. Clicker is like CRM software. Yeah, we'll do with Google Docs. Find a document. We'll try to find a document also. We'll test two tools here, Google Docs and Gmail. Okay, so now this is our MCP server. We have connected two tools. We have given access to three functions, that is find email, delete email, create draft. And in the Google Docs tool, we can find a document. Okay, now we'll go to connect, and we have to connect it with, not with the HTTP what we say. Yeah, we have to choose SSE over here, and then we can just copy this URL. If you select streamable HTTP, it will not work. You have to select SSE, and then you have to go to server URL and then copy this URL. We are done with Zapier now. We just can go to here, integrated actions, and then here MCP Zapier. I had connected before. I have to connect it one more time. I'll just remove it. Click on add MCP servers, and then we'll just paste our link over here. And then click enter. Yeah, it's adding. Yeah, we can see this. Our MCP server is connected and it's on. Now let's start a new chat and go to speak option. Hello. Yeah, it's waking up. Hello. Hello.
Hi there. How can I help you today? Would you like to start a workflow or ask a question?
Can you write an email draft for me named as Psychology of Money, and write some of the information, whatever you think is relevant, and just put it there. Don't add a recipient or don't add the email address to which you are sending. Just keep it like a draft. I don't need to add the emails of wherever I have to send. Just write the content in the draft section.
Sure. I'll create a draft email titled Psychology of Money and include an overview of key insights on this topic. Would you like a summary or a detailed explanation in the draft?
Summary. Yeah, so we have to approve the action way. Yes.
Your draft email titled Psychology of Money with a concise summary has been created. Would you like to review or edit the content of the draft now?
Okay. So he's saying that our draft is ready. Let's check it out. We'll go to a draft section and then we can just go. Here you can see Psychology of Money, and he has written the summary. The Psychology of Money explores how emotions, beliefs, sections. Yeah. So here he has written the summary of this book right here. Okay, so it's working. Yeah, so this is how we are going to make a voice agent. You can connect as many tools as you want in the Zapier MCP server over here. You can make as many MCP servers as you want. Here are the tasks which are given, like 1k limit is your 1k, and you can just try it out on your side. It's like a complete artificial intelligence. It's like a complete structure where you can just talk to the agent which is connected to multiple tools, and you can access all of your stuff by just voice. You can. Okay, then do let me know how this video was in the comments, and then till then, see you in the next video.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make the microphone dead. Don't stay